Hi, I'm Mark Giles of HP Autonomy Corporate Marketing, and today I'm joined by Annie Weinberger, who is our Global Head of Aurasma at HP Autonomy. Welcome, Annie. How are you doing?
I'm good, Mark. How are you?
Very well, thank you. So, Annie, could we just start with a quick overview for the audience of what Aurasma is, please?
Yeah, Aurasma is a very innovative technology that essentially lets people use images rather than text to turn search into an action-oriented interactive experience. I'd say in its simplest form, it's an augmented reality platform that lets a user kind of take a smartphone or a tablet, hold that over an image, and launch a video or a game or a 3D model or 2D animation or anything else that's kind of interactive.
Okay. So can you give us an idea of what Aurasma means to us as a business, our customers and partners, and what it can do for them?
Yeah, well, on the consumer side, our customers can use the Aurasma app that's available for free and build their own kind of augmented reality happenings, or what we call auras, and share those with their friends. But then our HP and Autonomy customers, their big brands, are coming to us and having Aurasma really power their own mobile apps. So kind of taking their mobile channel to the next level by adding an element of interaction and of augmented reality.
Okay. And I mean, would you be able to share some insight into sort of the level of adoption of Aurasma that's taken place so far to date?
Yeah, so we just released Aurasma 2.0, which has 1,000 apps on the platform, as well as 15,000 partners or customers.
Wow.
And we're very, very proud of Aurasma 2.0. We essentially have kind of left beta, so we've been learning a lot from our partners over the last couple years. And this is kind of our enterprise-ready version. We've added kind of a scalable cloud-based platform.
Okay.
So it's really unmatched performance and scalability within the new 2.0 platform, as well as enhancements to the image recognition and kind of object mapping and object tracking capabilities. So very kind of like clean, seamless tracking for 2D images and 3D models. As well as really big enhancements to the usability. So it's a lot more easy to use, kind of build your Aurasma happenings or auras and share those in social websites like Twitter or Facebook.
Okay. I mean, just sort of staying on the sort of the adoption topic, I was reading recently in a report that was stating that the retail and entertainment industries were the key drivers in levels of adoption of mobile augmented reality apps. Are they the kind of industries we're seeing from within our own customer and partner base? And I suppose also, I mean, are there any other industries you'd add into that mix?
Yeah, good question. And we did, see kind of early adoption from retail and from media and entertainment.
Okay.
I think that was largely driven by consumer demand. There was a survey done recently that said 80% of all smartphone owners want a more mobile-oriented experience when they're shopping in a store or through a catalog. So I think that was kind of be driven back to the brands, and then they've been looking for ways to kind of take their mobile experiences to the next level. So we have had a lot of partners and customers in the retail and entertainment industries. But I will say that there are a lot of verticals that use Aurasma that you may not necessarily think of.
Okay.
But PR is a big vertical, as well as publications. A lot of publications are using Aurasma to light up their kind of magazines or catalogs or newspapers, as well as people like manufacturing and education. So we'll have people lighting up either training materials or manuals, and even kind of how-tos when you're setting up different equipment.
Right. Okay.
So there's a lot of very interesting use cases out there.
I mean, would you be able to share with the audience some of those use cases, please?
Yeah, I mean, one that I really like because it's kind of ongoing, it's become kind of embedded into the way that they do their mobile app is Tesco.
Okay.
So obviously a large kind of grocery retailer out here in the UK.
Definitely.
But they have, I think it's a weekly publication that they do. It's their coupon book, kind of all the different promotions that they have. And they light that whole thing up with Aurasma. So you can look over any image of any product, get more information about that image, and actually add that to cart directly from the app. So you can do your shopping on kind of your mobile device using the catalog. So I think that's a great use case. And another fun one, mainly because I'm a big fan, but Bon Jovi just released their app, which is powered by Aurasma.
Okay.
So a lot of kind of fun interactions that they have within that app. So it's a good one to check out.
And I mean, Aurasma is part of HP, like Autonomy is. That presents, I'm sure, some fantastic opportunities. Can you perhaps share some insight into how HP is leveraging your Aurasma platform across other lines of businesses that it has?
Yeah, we're very excited. We've been working with HP over the last few months in their printer group to launch an app called HP Live Photo. And this is powered by Aurasma. And the app lets people kind of build off of a video they may have on their phone or their tablet, build a card and print that card, and then you can mail it or give it to a friend or your grandma or your girlfriend, and then kind of launch a video from that card. So very interesting kind of consumer use case that HP Printer Group has come up with, and we've been able to collaborate on that to really bring this unique app to market. And we're very excited about kind of other synergies that we're working on. I think there's lots more to come.
So, I mean, what do you think it is about the Aurasma platform then that means that customers and partners move forward with our solution rather than others that are out there in the marketplace at the moment?
Yeah, I think we're really laser focused on providing the most flexible and scalable technology platform for AR. And we have the best team out there as far as domain expertise in the market for augmented reality and mobile apps. And, kind of back to the HP question, we're able to leverage the deep bench of development knowledge in HP as well as their lab infrastructure to really bring these innovations to market much more quickly, to have very scalable, high performance and easy to use applications.
Okay, thank you. I mean, sort of moving on to sort of my last, I suppose, question would be, I'm reading a lot of discussion and commentary in the press and the media about what the future holds for AR and the untapped potential there is with it. Can you give us some of your thoughts and insights on what that could mean for Aurasma?
Yeah, I mean, I just read something too recently that said by the end of 2013, there'll be more mobile devices on the earth than people. But as these become, it's really about the processing powers of these. And as they become more prevalent, the processing power gets more and more powerful. And that really lets us kind of take augmented reality image recognition to the next level. Yeah. And we really see this as having kind of a change in the way people interact with the world. So instead of using text to search for things, kind of take that step out of it, and people really use images and the location around them to really launch interactive experiences.
Okay, I mean, look, fantastic insight into what Aurasma is and what the future holds. I just would like to say thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you,
for the audience out there that are interested in finding a little bit more out about Aurasma, where can they go?
You can go to Aurasma.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, check out our YouTube channel, and join us on Facebook.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mark.